Under pre-market darkness, each tick is coded intel. Gear up, agent. Infiltrate the S&P 500 profile and exfiltrate profits. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,640. The cold iron gate at the end of the alley. If the suspects climb over, they might just vanish into the fog. Value area low, VAL, 6,585. The gutter, where the case usually hits a dead end. A drop below means we are looking at a deep, dark descent. Point of control, POC, 6 Cyrix, 634. The dimly lit street lamp where everyone gathered to trade secrets and lies for the better part of the day. Support zone, 6,574 to 6,585. A row of heavy crates providing cover for the buyers who refuse to be shaken down. Resistance zone, 6,640 to 6,647. The precinct walls, where every bullish attempt gets interrogated and sent back down. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower, 6,565 to 6,574. A back alley that has seen little foot traffic. Expect a chase if the price breaks through. Upper, 6,647 to 6,655. A narrow fire escape. If the bulls reach it, they will be gone before the sirens arrive. Market context. Today's case feels like a setup. Price has been pacing between 6,574 and 6,647, like a nervous witness, refusing to give up a clear direction. The heavy drop in CVD tells me the sellers are the ones wearing the brass knuckles today, dragging the market lower from the morning peak. It is a balancing act in a town that has seen better days, with the bears holding a slight edge in the shadows. A 3-day trail through the city. Day 3, March 24th, POSC 6,598, high 6,680, low 6,574, a messy crime scene where the bulls tried to make a break for it but tripped over their own feet. Day 2, March 25th, POC 6,652, high 6,685, low 6,616. The heat stayed high as the buyers kept the pressure on, like a dame with a long memory. Day 1, March 26th. POC, 6,634. High, 6,647. Low, 6,574. The case went cold as the sellers returned to the scene, dragging value back into the gutter. Value was climbing until today, when the bulls finally hit a wall. Acceptance above VAH would mean the rally has a second win. Failure to hold the gutter at VAL means this case is headed for the morgue. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session. Open. CVD negative 3,306 contracts. The morning started with a cold wind and heavy sell-side buys. Intraday peak, buying. CVD reached negative 902, a brief moment where the sun tried to break through the smog. Current CVD, negative 14,832 net, negative 11,526 from open, meaning the hitmen came out in force and have not stopped swinging. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 17,382, a moment of pure desperation when the floor almost fell out. Interpretation. The aggressive sell-side delta is the main suspect here. Any attempt at a rally is going to need a lot of fresh money to pay off the sellers at VAH. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,585 to 6,590. Stop loss. Below the single print floor at approximately 6,570, 4 ticks beneath the session low, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 9 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC, 6,634. Major target at VAH, 6,640. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,640 to 6,647. Or a clean break through VAL. Stop loss. Above VAH, single print ceiling at approximately 6,650 or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for the first payoff, then VAL for the final score. Position sizing. Limit your exposure to 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by the distance to your stop. Trail your stops to the last defended level after the first target is hit. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. The bulls find a way through the gate at 6,640 and keep running. Setup. Enter long above 6,640 with the stop at 6,634 POC. Target 6,655 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The market hits the precinct walls at 6,640 and gets thrown back into the street. Setup. Short on the first failure off 6,640. Stop above 6,647. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. Price crashes through the gutter at 6,585 and heads for the basement. Setup. Short a break below 6,585. Stop above 6,594. Recent swing high. Target 6,565 single print area. Scenario D, value bounce. Price dips into the VAL gutter, but the buyers are waiting with a payoff. Setup. Long at 6,585. Stop at 6,574. Target POC, then VAH and V. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.